Hi, this is Collar of Sublime Trading. This is the weekend stocks video analysis. So we have 5 interesting looking stocks to go through today. The first one we are going to look at is McDonald's Corporation. If we go to the monthly time frame, you can see that this stock is one I reviewed during the week. And just to recap, price is still looking bullish. During the week, price was fast approaching this level of resistance, which is last year's high. Since then, price has started to move back to the downside. If we go to the weekly time frame, price is above the 50 and 200 simple moving averages, and going down to the daily time frame now, price is above the 50 and 200 simple moving averages. As I mentioned, during the week, price was moving up after finding momentum around this area. Price was heading up towards that area of resistance. And as you can see, Friday's candle, we saw a big bearish bar. So price may come down to the 50 simple moving average, use that area as a support area before returning back to the upside. But we'll have to just wait and see whether price will actually move back up after pulling back and retest that area and actually break and close through that zone. Right now, we don't want to be taking any trades in McDonald's until that previous resistance has been broken. Next stock we are looking at is Lululemon Athletica. On the monthly time frame, price is looking bullish, and as you can see, January's bar is looking bullish as well. We need to see price continue to advance and break and close above this previous all-time high. Going to the weekly time frame, price bounced off the 50 simple moving average here and has since found momentum to the upside. The past week we haven't seen a strong bullish move, but the week prior to that we saw a nice strong bullish candle. If that momentum can continue to the upside, then we may see a break of this previous high. At the moment, price is finding resistance around this $150 round number. So if price can actually remain above that level, we may see another move to the upside in the near future. Going to the daily time frame, price is above both the 50 and 200 simple moving averages. Again, we can see the momentum to the upside here. This appears to be some sort of pullback or mini consolidation. We just need to see whether price can continue to produce bullish bars, and if so, then we should see a break of this high pretty soon. Next stock is PayPal Holdings. If we go to the monthly time frame, price is in this clear overall bullish trend, and price is now trading above last year's high, which is also the previous all-time high. Going to the weekly time frame, price is above the 50 simple moving average. We can see how price used that area as an area of support for a number of weeks before finding strength back to the upside, and last week we saw a nice strong bullish bar which has produced a new all-time high. Going to the daily time frame, price is above both the 50 and 200 simple moving averages. Again, we can see how prices produced a nice clear trend in the past. Then we went into this area of consolidation, which is normal after such a nice trend. So if price can actually remain above this previous high, then we may see a nice linear trend unfold like we have seen in the past. If so, it will produce a lot of trading opportunities. But do bear in mind we have the $100 major round number not too far above, which may also act as a resistance. Next stock is Planet Fitness. If you look at the monthly time frame, price is in this nice uptrend. As you can see, January's bar is a nice strong bullish bar. It did break above this previous year's high, but has since moved down below this level. We just need to see whether price will actually attack this level again and actually stay above that level. If so, then we may see further moves to the upside. Going to the weekly time frame, price is above the 50 simple moving average. We can see a nice trend to the upside, producing higher highs and higher lows. On the daily time frame, price is above both the 50 and 200 simple moving averages. Again, we can see a nice clear trend to the upside. Price has used the 50 simple moving average as support along the way up, sometimes dipping further below the 50 simple moving average, but consistently moves back above the 50 simple moving average after it dips below it. So here at the moment we're seeing price moving sideways. We may see another move towards the 50 simple moving average, we may not. Either way, we just need to see whether price will break and close above this previous high. Next stock and final stock for the weekend analysis is Griggs, which is a UK stock. If you look at the monthly time frame, Griggs has trended well in the past and went into this long period of consolidation. So from 2015 up until recently, price has been in this consolidation between last year's high and last year's low. Now that price is trading outside of this area of consolidation, we may see further moves to the upside. Going to the weekly time frame, price is above both the 50 and 200 simple moving averages, and on the daily time frame, the price is above the 50 and 200 simple moving average. We see a nice trend to the upside here, producing higher highs and higher lows, and at the moment price appears to be pulling back, so we just need to wait for a confirmation of further moves to the upside by waiting for a break and close of this previous high. Thank you for watching the weekend video analysis. Don't forget to press subscribe, and we're also running a free webinar this Thursday, so sign up now with the link below the video in the description box.